셋, 별.
Board of Nursing for successfully pulling off the November 2025 nursing licensure examinations. Achieving a...
Everybody say it.
I am a Filipino nurse.
That's our brand. Pag si nanay bumili ng toothpaste, pabili nga ng... Diba? May doktor.
I'm nurse.
Hindi ang tawag sa kanya, mister. Kailan niyo tinawag yung doktor niyo sa ospital na mister? May specifically professional nurse. Please say your name, Nurse Leia Pakis, and say your school. Kasi yung sa school niyo kayo natuto, kaya kayo pumasa dahil sa inyong alma mater. Kaya tatandaan nyo alma mater nyo and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Princess Mary,
Of
State University of Perpetual Health System Dal,
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the same,
to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and executive orders
and executive orders
promulgated
by
the duly constituted authorities
the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
that at all times and places
that at all times and places
I will adhere closely
I will adhere closely
to the ethical and professional values
to the ethical and professional values
generally accepted by the nursing profession in the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God.
So help me God.
Filipino nurses, registered nurses, congratulations!
Minted registered nurses. Give yourselves another round of applause.
Hi B, kamusta? Nandito ka na ngayon.
Okay lang. Akala ko di ako papasa.
Pero pumasa.
Congratulations to the top performing schools in category
Para
B.
sa'yo, para
We
sa'yo.
proceed to category A with 100 or more examinees and with at least 85%
RN na kami.
passing percentage. Rank 8, with 174.
Kaya nga nating pagod.
Set, girl.